Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you a little bit about Glass Generator 2.0, a tool that I created for Revit. So this tool allows you to place lights on an elevation, similar to the old tool we had, Glass Generator, except for it has a lot of improvements. To give you an overview, the things I'm going to talk about are our new WW Glass family, a GG 2.0 tool, and the GG lookup tool. So to use this new GG 2.0, you need to use a new family called WW Glass. It doesn't work for the old family you're using, W75T1. This new family doesn't use type parameters anymore, so you don't have to create new types, and all those type parameters have become instance parameters. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So this light here is using the old family, W75T1, and as you see, for a lot of these parameters, they're type parameters, which means that when you edit them, you have to actually create a new type, as opposed to the new glass, WW Glass, where the bytes, gasket, sealants are instance parameters, or that they're all in one type and you can modify them here. So it kind of makes it easier on the drafter. And again, the GG 2.0 only uses the WW Glass and not the W75T1. So moving on, I'm going to actually show you the 2.0. So the GG 2.0 allows you, as I said before, to update all lights on a selected elevation or elevations, and it allows you to update punched openings, unitized curtain walls, segmented walls, skewed walls, doors, tech walls, grouped walls, and it also takes into account the jam-to-jam captured 1/16 offset. But sadly, it does not work for non-rectangular lights or sloped walls. And now I'm going to show you how it works. So to use the tool, all you need to do is select GG 2.0, select the elevations. I'm just going to select this one, hit finish, and this glass makeup window is going to pop up. I'm not going to modify it, but it allows you to change the different glass makeup. Okay, and then it's going to take a couple seconds to update all the lights. Just wait a couple seconds. And when it's done, it'll give you a prompt, lights successfully loaded. And now, as you see, all the lights have been replaced with this WW Glass family. And all the bytes, sealants, and gaskets are based off of data that we have on the database on the portal. So to view and modify that data that I just mentioned, I also created another tool called GG Lookup, and I'll explain that. So to view that data on the portal, which was uploaded by either myself or Ember, you could use the GG 2.0 lookup tool, and what it allows you to do is select any light and view the border mullions that are around the light, and if you need to change that data for your job. So to use the tool, you just need to hit GG lookup, select the light that you want to view or modify, and it will show you all the data for the border mullions for that light. So for each mullion family, it'll tell you the data we have on the portal. So the bytes, gasket, sealant, blocks for that we entered, and if you need to, you could modify that data. So another little background: this the name here, when it's shown in black, that means that it's based off the standard that me or Amber have on the portal, and when the name is in red, that means that it's been modified by the drafter. So say that this left jam, you needed to take off 1/8 byte for whatever reason. Maybe we made a mistake on the portal or the details changed. You could do that by changing this data, taking off 3/8 from the byte, and hitting update left. And now, as it says, successfully loaded data. And this name is now in red. Now, that means that you have overridden the standard data for your job, but the standard is still the same. And if you want to change it back to the standard, you can hit revert left right here. And that will revert it back to the 1/2 it was before. And that is the GG 2.0. Thank you.